Blue Sky Nursery is a wholesale company, and we sell plants to the independent garden centers, landscapers, and other wholesalers. My name is Alice Plamer, and I'm the president of the company. The main focus of the business is growing broadleaf evergreens, perennials, and flowering shrubs. I'm involved in the community since I've been a Rotarian for 18 years, almost 19 years. And as you know, Rotary gives back to the community big time because our motto is service above self. We support the Fort, Big Brothers Big Sister, Village of Hope, Conversations Cafe, and numerous other initiatives. I'm also involved with the West Lincoln Memorial Hospital Foundation Board, and I've also been on the Lincoln Chamber of Commerce Board and the OBA committee for a number of years. The Blue Sky Nursery partners with other organizations in the sense that we try to support businesses in this community. My favorite part of running this business is to see how I can empower my employees to be the best they can be. We are on a Clean Plants program. It's a tracking system for plants so that every single plant that comes into the nursery is located in a certain spot. And if there is an infestation or a pathogen, we can determine its origin. It is similar to IS 9001 that some larger corporations are involved with. Plans for expansion include new migrant housing that we're going to have, which will house 16 Mexicans. Other than that, I'm not quite sure where we go. We have lots of land here. We're putting up some more poly houses, but I'm going to leave that to the next generation. I think Blue Sky Nursery should win the award because we are in an industry that promotes the nurturing of plants. And when people are growing plants, there's a sense of well-being that they get from gardening. I think Blue Sky Nursery has contributed a lot to the community over the years. It's not about amassing wealth for ourselves. We believe strongly that Blue Sky is trying to make a difference in the lives of employees, both locally and internationally. And I think we're in an industry that is a very sustainable one.